What's the secret to working like a true professional? It all comes down to selecting the right tools for maximum performance. So let's dive in and explore some of the most exceptional woodworking tools available today. Elevate your craft with the incredible Woodpeckers Mini Indexable System. These mini tools pack all the amazing features of their full-size counterparts, but are conveniently compact enough to slip into your shop apron or even your jeans pocket. And now the Mini Indexable range is expanding with not one, but two new additions, the Protractor Head and the Centering Head. The Protractor Head is perfect for delivering precise layouts at any angle, with its positive stops at different angles. And if you want to locate the center of square and round stock with ease, the Centering Head will let you make two quick marks like a pro. And let's not forget about the full-inch indexing feature found on the combination square and double square, which allows you to use the laser-accurate scribing guides in the graduated blades. Say goodbye to frustrating tool slippage on router tables, table saws, jointers, and bandsaws with the Milescraft 3405 Grabber Plus. Thanks to the high friction in diamond grip, the 3405 Grabber Plus allows you to take on the toughest tasks with ease without worrying about the tools losing their grip. On top of that, the Grabber Plus also features two spring-loaded retractable heels that come into contact with every workpiece's end, providing you with extra forward pressure throughout every cut. And with its bright yellow color, you won't have to worry about losing it on the busiest job sites. Don't let slipping tools get in the way of your work. Grab the Milescraft 3405 Grabber Plus and take control of your tools like a pro. Tired of dealing with bulky chop saws and jigsaws when cutting laminate flooring? The Wolfcraft LC 600 Laminate Cutter is here to make your life easier. This pro-grade tool simply lets you effortlessly cut laminate up to 11 millimeters thick. The best feature of the LC 600 is its smooth, high-quality laser-cut blade that produces a precise and clean cutting edge. This is achieved through the blade's special geometry that sets the angle between the blade and the cutting gap to the most efficient ratio. Plus, the large stop allows you to make precise angular cuts up to a 90-degree contact edge. And with its ergonomically shaped handle and non-slip buffers, you'll have the best handling conditions possible. From weekend hobbyist to seasoned professional, the Blue Spruce Deluxe Mortise Gauge transforms everyone into a measurement master. This bad boy is packed with 1195 tool steel cutting blades and rotating radius bars that will make all your marking needs a breeze. With its classic design and modern materials, this tool stands for precision and accuracy on every job. It's got a 4-knife design that lets you mark single or double lines, perfect for all your woodworking projects, from dovetail baselines to mortise and tenon joinery to dados, grooves, and inlays. This tool is like the Swiss Army knife of woodworking, so say goodbye to frustrating marking mishaps and hello to smooth, precise cuts. Transform your woodcutting experience with the powerful Stihl MS162 petrol-driven chainsaw. This chainsaw boasts a 2-mix engine. This handy tool is perfect for all your grounds maintenance needs, from pruning fruit trees to turning logs into firewood. Are you worried about using too much fuel? Not an issue, because the MS162 is all about efficiency. With its substantial saw chain and narrow saw curve, you can make precise cuts without wasting any of that precious gasoline. One of the most notable features of this chainsaw is the anti-vibration system. You'll be operating so smoothly without getting any hand strain at all. Moving from power tools to hand tools, discover why woodworkers everywhere trust the Irwin Easy Start handsaw. It offers an incredibly easy start feature that is driven by superfine 13 TPI cutting teeth that make your operation faster and easier without leaving any damaged edge. Not just that, the 8 TPI coarse center teeth lets you do razor-sharp cutting over the thicker materials. Aside from that, the tough coated blade reduces heat, drag, and expansions, meaning there will be no worries about the longevity of the tool. And the best part about the handsaw is an ergonomically designed Irwin grip handle that offers all-day comfort and control, keeping you far away from fatigue and strains. Looking for the ultimate routing solution for your woodworking projects? Check out this Trend T7 ELK 110-volt router. First and foremost, it comes with a powerful 1750-watt motor and an excellent power-to-weight ratio, which makes it ideal for the effortless handling of most routing jobs. No matter if you're just a beginner or a professional, you'll surely love its 50mm plunge depth, which is perfect for kitchen fitting applications like worktop cutting and jointing, sink fitting, hob apertures, and carcass modifications. The T7 ELK also offers 6-level variable speed control, ensuring precise control across a wide range of cutters, materials, and applications. Meanwhile, the ergonomic inclined handles with integrated power triggers and soft grip molding provide comfort and reduce fatigue during use. And one other thing, there's also a molded carry case that enables safe storage for the tool and other accessories. Every serious woodworker and DIY enthusiast needs the versatile Stanley miter box in their arsenal. With its range of cutting angles, including 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 22.5 degrees, and 45-degree bevels, you can tackle a variety of projects with confidence. One of the standout features of this miter box is the patented cam lock clamping system. It securely holds your workpiece in place, ensuring that your cuts are accurate and consistent. The contoured radius sidewall also provides improved grip and comfort during use, making it easier to work for longer periods. Another useful feature is the saw storage on the side of the box. This keeps your saw within reach and organized, making it easier to switch between different blades as needed. Struggling with achieving perfectly straight cuts in your woodworking projects? The Craig Crosscut Station is here to rescue you. This tool allows you to make pinpoint crosscuts and miters like a pro. This crosscut station can handle boards up to 12 inches wide, and it's highly portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. And the best part? You can achieve miter saw quality cuts with your circular saw. The Craig Station lets you make crosscuts at 90 degrees, miters at 45 degrees, and all sorts of angled cuts perfectly. But wait, there's more. The Craig Guided Cutting Solution will make you feel like a superhero with its precise and accurate cuts. The backboard of the tool makes it easy to align materials, while the included kerf shows you exactly where your blade cuts. Let's finish our list with an impressive cutting powerhouse, the Evolution R90 JGS Lee cordless jigsaw. The cordless jigsaw has the power to cut through wood up to 90 millimeters thick. If you want to make more cuts, then this saw won't disappoint, no matter if it's plastic or mild metal. One of the best parts of this saw is the rotating base with the tool-free bevel adjustment between 0 to 45 degrees left or right. You'll be cutting angles like a pro. And if you're worried about all those dim, dark areas where you can't see what you're cutting, no problem. The R90 has built-in LED work lights that will stand beside you with proper illumination. It also features a variable speed trigger, ambidextrous trigger lock, and vac hose adaptability, making it a worthy option to go with. That wraps up our showcase of exceptional woodworking tools. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.